Welcome. In this short tutorial, we'll write a tiny C# program that prints all odd numbers, from 1 up to 99, 1 per line. This is a classic beginner exercise that helps you practice loops, conditionals, which is the modular operator, and console output. We'll walk through the problem, read the code, and explain how it works step by step. Run a couple of quick examples, and suggest small extensions you can try. Ready? Let's jump in. The task is simple. Iterate over integers from 1 to 99 and print those that are odd. We'll use the modular operator to detect odd numbers and console readline to print each number on a new line. This exercise reinforces writing loops, applying a conditional check inside the loop, and using console output to display results. Here's the full program. We print a short heading so the user knows what's coming. The for loop runs n from 1 through 99. For every n, we test if that expression is true for odd numbers. When true, we print the number using console readline. Note: the use of less than or equal to 99 ensures that 99 itself is included. The implementation is explicit and easy to read, which is perfect for learning. This step-by-step shows the flow. The loop iterates over every integer from 1 to 99. For each n, the modular test determines oddness. If the number is odd, we print it, because we print inside the loop and use readline. Each print number appears on a new line automatically. Then the loop finishes when n surpasses 99. Walking through the iterations makes it clear. Only odd n produce output. This table shows a few sample iterations. The pattern repeats up to 99. Try running the program locally and watch the numbers print 1 per line. If you want to verify correctness, check that the output counts equal 50. Printing odd numbers is a toy example. It is extremely useful pedagogically. This pattern iterates over a range and filters by condition. It is used everywhere. Generating test inputs, stepping through time series data at intervals, or producing formatted output for logs. It is a reliable exercise for newcomers to programming. Wrap up. The simplest clear solution uses a for loop plus a modular test. If you want to optimize the code slightly, you can step by 2 and avoid the if check entirely. That's shown in the tip. Also, consider printing a header or footer that shows the total printed count for clarity. Great job! Try modifying the range or printing even numbers next. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.